Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the cutout feature in CapCut PC. So select a video and I'm just going to change the aspect ratio real quick. Then I'm going to select the video. I'm going to then select cutout and I'm going to select auto cutout to remove the background automatically. Only works on like people, so keep that in mind. You can also add in some strokes as well. Here you can adjust the size, the spacing, as well as the color. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. That's how you can use the auto cutout feature in CapCut PC. Makes removing background just super easy. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Also, just to mention, you can put like a background underneath that. Sorry. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.